Go ahead.
This is the rabbit ride.
What's that? Well, first of all, let's talk about the sentence we saw a couple pictures of people talking about their pets. And what did you write?
I
What's that word?
love Luna.
He wrote, I love Luna. And we got to put our period at the end. We'll be working on those periods. It looks like a little I. Love it. And then we made a web. We made a web. That's called a web to organize our ideas. And it had all of the senses because we read about that little boy who made all the senses of the park. And what did we make a web of?
I'm a Kalahari.
Kalahari, because that's our favorite spot to go. And we started with the touch, and that's how we feel. So what can you feel at Kalahari?
The rabbit ride.
The rabbit ride. And then we went down to smell.
Yeah, smell.
What did you smell with your nose at Kalahari? You remember?
The airplane ride.
The airplane ride. And then, what were you able to taste using your tongue and your mouth?
French fries.
French fries at the restaurant. And what were you able to smell with your nose? Oh, sorry, hear with your ears. It's hard to read backwards.
I hear screaming.
You hear screaming from what ride was there screaming?
This one.
That one. Do you remember what was named?
I don't know.
Me neither. And then what could you see with your eyes?
The Tsunami game.
So we can make a story up using all of these different senses and our pictures to come up with our own Kalahari story, correct? Which we kind of did right now. Say, we missed you, Mr. Wagner.
We missed you, Mr. Wagner.